today we're going to do a walk around of our 2019 Z4 Roadster with only 3,400 miles on it. So this car is really low mileage. It's a beautiful car, black sapphire metallic with M Sport. We've got the nice front bumper, these gorgeous M Sport wheels, and red brake calipers. This car has beautifully contrasting Ivory Vernasca leather seats. Two-door Roadster, certainly a fun car, especially for this time of year. We have M Sport steering wheel and Harman Kardon upgraded sound system. This car also has our aluminum trim. And you'll notice one thing about the Z4 that's pretty neat is it has a built-in wind deflector right here. Now this is a soft top convertible, which is our Moonlight Black soft top. And this car is also a certified pre-owned vehicle, which means that it has an unlimited warranty until 2024 for this specific car. So if you're interested, come test drive it, check it out, and we'll put more details about this car in the bio and description of the video.